to assure you, please let me say something. I want to plead with the church to be careful of being used to play politics. Yes, I believe all of us should participate in the politics of this country to determine who governs us. But let the church not be allowed to be used as if we are fighting a religious war. And I have seen people now who have come out to talk about the church. Ask them, what has been their contribution for the growth of the church? Ask them, when they were in position of authority, what contribution did they make for the church to grow? It's not now the authorities of God. You want to come and tell church a different story for your own personal interest. We have to be careful so that the church is not destroyed. Because all of us, for example, we are all Africans. I will not be there for anybody for his own selfish interest to destroy the Church of Nigeria. I will not support that. So tell all these politicians coming to put the church to fight. The church has no fight to fight with anybody. What the church calls us is prayer for Nigeria to get better. That's what the church will do. The church is not going to be involved or should not be involved to say, we will not do this. No. If that happens, then there are some members of the church who say, no, they will not be members of the church again. That's why the church should not be involved. But the church should advise us to tell us to look back and see what should happen for this country. And see how this country will forge ahead.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.